What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? DETMURDS. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? DETMURDS.
Alright folks, Paulie here, and you're looking at the Samsung oven. I got a pizza in the oven. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, look at that baby. Let's pull it out. Okay, here it is. That is awesome. I made this dough last night. I used bread flour, and the longer you let pizza dough sit, the better. Now, I did it in the refrigerator. I never sat room temperature. When I added water into the dough, you know, the flour and all the other ingredients for the dough, I didn't even use warm water. I used cold water. I kneaded it at least about 10 minutes, and I balled it up. I put it in the refrigerator. Right now it's about noon here on a Monday. Just made this up. Little lady says she wants to eat something a little more healthy, so I told her to make a little spinach salad. I didn't mention it would be on top of a pizza. That baby looks good. It's molten hot right now. Let's take a look underneath. Oh yeah, beautiful brown. But yeah, let me tell you what's all in here. I used the organic pizza sauce from the Meyer store. It is great stuff. Got someone that tells me that, and I know that now. I used, it was shredded mozzarella cheese, and I put 1 layer of pepperoni, and I threw some spinach on there. I love spinach. That's how I get these Popeye arms, you know. And then I put another layer of pepperoni, small one, and I took some shaker cheese, which was Parmesan and Romano. A little olive oil drizzled over the top. Cooked this for 425 degrees with the convection oven for 15 minutes. And it looks amazing. I've always had a pizza cutter, but I can never find it. So I found it this time. Let's cut this baby. Oh my gosh. Nothing like a cheap Walmart plate. We bought a lot of these to take to the Philippines, but we ended up using some of them. I'm getting this pizza up off the pan. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Ain't no frozen pizza here, folks. Look at that. It stays. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Using convection fan when you use the oven for pizza, really good. Them pepperonis bowled up. Let's go for it. Look at that. On a pepperoni scale, I know it's not a frozen pizza, so it doesn't really fall under the DETMURDS 5 pepperoni scale rating. But on a pizza scale, 10. Whew. Only play on this one right now. Too hot. I'm Paulie. Thank you for watching. See you next time.